Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 4.1 chapter number 4 quadratic equation. Question number 2, the first part is represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equations. Here we are not going to solve the quadratic equation for finding the values of x and y. We simply represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations, means we will frame the quadratic equations only. So what is the condition? The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. Means we have to frame a quadratic equation for which the length is equals to 1 more than twice its breadth. And in this question we will frame the quadratic equation. After solving it, we will get the answer of x means length or the breadth. So what is given in this question? There are two things. According to the question, we have to find the length and breadth. So we will assume the length and breadth. As we have done the last chapter number 3, linear equation in two variables. In that chapter, what was there? There was two variable. We were assuming one as x and the other as y. But this is the quadratic equation. We always choose one variable as x and the other variable in term of the one variable. Means what is given in the question, firstly I will interpret that. So come on the second line, I am going to underline it. So you will do the same thing. What is given? The length is, so firstly the length of the plot in meter, I am going to underline is, then 1 more than twice breadth. So now check the underline part. Length L. What is the next underline part? Is equal to 1 more means plus, twice 2 multiplied by breadth means b. So I will check the conditions in every question, and we are having the two variables L and b. So this is called the independent variable, this is called the dependent variable. Why dependent? Because the value of length will be depend upon the value of breadth. So breadth we will assume and length will automatically come. So I will assume let breadth is equals to x meter. And what will be the length according to that? If we substitute that value, length is equals to 1 plus 2 into x, that will be 1 plus 2x meters. So that is my assumption part, and this is the condition. First line, area of a rectangular plot. So area of a rectangular plot that is given is 528, means area is given. So I will write it here, area of rectangular plot is equals to 528. I have written whatever the given things. So now what is the area? Area will be L into B is equals to 528. So what is L? L is x, and what is B? 1 plus 2x is equals to 528. Open it. X into 1 will be x plus 2x square equals to 528. Arrange it. Firstly, take the terms like this, 2x square plus x equals to 528. Take the term, this 528 on the other side, it will be 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So which is the required quadratic equation? Because what was the question? Represent the following equation situations in the form of quadratic equation, which is the required quadratic equation. So that was the solution of my first part. Now come on the second part, the same on the page number 72 of 73 sorry of your book. Now the question number second part, second question, second part on the page number 74. What is the question? The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So what is the meaning of consecutive positive integers? Consecutive positive integers means if one integer is 5, then other one, the next integer, the very next will be 6. Similarly, if we are taking 7, then very next will be 8. 2, the very next will be 3. Here we will assume let the there are two integers, so I will take, let two consecutive positive integers. I will take it one as, if one is 5 then next one is 5 plus 1 6. If one is x then next one will be x and x plus 1. Next one means we will add 1 in that. The product of two consecutive. Now what are they saying? They are focusing on, underline it, product is 306. So what is the product? Product of two integers. Product means x into x plus 1. What is the meaning of is equals to 306. Now open it, x into x, x square plus x equals to 306. Take the 306 on other side, x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. So this is the required, which is the required quadratic equation. At last we will declare that, which is the required quadratic equation. So this is the solution of my these two parts. Next questions I will do in my further videos. So kindly go through that and make the proper notes in your fair notebooks. Thank you very much.